Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday, or the best Friday you can possibly have as the overall market is down. And I do apologize for not providing an overall update. Just yesterday was a little bit crazy with certain things that we have going on. I had to pick up my girlfriend, so that was one thing. But as well as things that we have going on with the PV house flip and stuff like that. So I appreciate your guys' time and your guys' patience. Yesterday was a red day for me, and I'm just so happy that I did my part in preparing for it. I've been uploading videos every single day. Just so you guys know, I was down $67,000 yesterday, which was Thursday, on Tesla alone due to my position size. When it comes down to the day before, I was up $51,000. So just like we want to have big green days because of my position size, I have to understand that, of course, red days are going to follow. Luckily, my overall intention with Tesla is to hold long term. So these day-to-days, again, one of the main reasons that I don't lock in profits when I'm up 50,000 or when I was up 195,000 on Tesla is because I still think that there's much more growth potential on Tesla, and that's just my opinion. But one of the things that we talked about on literally every single video, what did we talk about? And it's no one can ever predict the future. It's not about that, right? But people thought it was very funny that like I was making a video as we approach these resistance levels that I was encouraging people to stay well balanced. Well, Ricky, the market's going to recover. It's not that the market big picture isn't going to recover. That's not what I'm talking about. But it's that I know that when the market sold off about 2 weeks ago and it aggressively sold off, people were so heavily invested or fully invested due to their account balance that when it sold off, they had no more buying power. They couldn't take advantage of any deals at those lower prices. So all I was encouraging people to do is what I was sharing what I plan to do. And, Tesla did an amazing job. And actually, I just want to use this as an example. Tesla did an amazing job as it sold off to lows of $560 a share. It gapped up to 700. And in one day, we gapped up over 20%. And then an additional, a couple percentages as the days followed. And then it began to consolidate. We no longer were making higher highs, and it was very difficult for Tesla to hold above $700 a share. It was showing indication of a resistance level. And as we came up on this conference where the head of the Feds, right, we're going to speak about, are they going to extend the relief package for the banks? Or are they going to allow it to expire? And that's essentially what we experienced yesterday, where it's really all of tech that saw a very bearish day. And today follows with another 3% loss on Tesla. And with the overall market, it's down about 0.5% to 1%. So I cannot stress this enough, or I could not have said it enough, where all I was trying to do is encourage people to think about worst case scenario. People get so overconfident. Like when I said, oh, watch out, they're going to be announcing certain things on Wednesday. And as soon as I made that video and then they announced something, the overall market went up. It went up about 1 or 2%, which was great. But then guess what happened the day that followed? It gapped down 6%, right? Or the overall market gapped down 4%. And this is why it's so important. It's the people that are overconfident, that think that they have it all figured out, that think that the market will always be in their favor, are the people that pay the price. But if you did a very simple thing of just staying well balanced, understanding that we were approaching a resistance level. So instead of, an example could be, if you have $1,000 in your trading account, and if you had $1,000 invested in your tech position, that it's maybe not the worst idea to sell half of it or sell a percentage of it. So if the market does pull back, just kind of like we're experiencing today, you at least can do your part in having enough buying power in your trading account to buy at those lower levels. That's all. But guess what? Those that are overconfident are probably screaming, punch in the air right now because they have no more money in their trading accounts or their investing accounts because they were so confident and so certain and so narrow-minded, thinking that the market could only go up. Big picture, of course, one of the other things that I do want to highlight is if you're someone that's going long on something, obviously these days shouldn't affect you, right? As your intention is to hold big picture, but it's always a really nice thing to have enough money left over in your investing account that you could take advantage of these lower prices. And that's essentially what I'm, taking today as. As of right now, the market is pulling on back. Today's another red day for Tesla. I'm going to leave my Tesla position. I'm going to allow it to bleed. and I'm going to begin to pick up and cherry pick the series of stocks that I felt like I missed out on the last time that this happened. One of the stocks, and I can make a list of them, and if you guys want me to, feel free to comment down below, and maybe I'll make a later video today, or I'll make a video tomorrow talking about the top 5 stocks that I'm going to invest in today. But PTON, last time it hit lows of sub $100, and it pushed up to highs of 120. It's one that I personally wanted to invest in, and now that it pulled on back and the overall market's pulling on back just a little bit, then this is my time where I can take advantage of these price levels. And from where we're at as of right now to previous highs is something that I personally see value in, with over a 50% potential for overall return based off previous highs. So I have about 5 of them that I'm going to be buying today. If you guys want me to make a video on them, just comment down below or drop a thumbs up. For all those that have been asking about the apparel drop, so the new basketball Inspire line dropped today, and that's going to be at 10:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I appreciate you guys' time. Once we sell out on these, we don't restock them. We literally just do these for fun, and they have pretty cool designs. We have this, we have a basketball jersey, and then we have a regular scallop tee as well. So really do appreciate you guys' time. Wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope that you did your part in staying well balanced. Let me know if my videos at least set the preparation for you guys, or at least alerted you and letting you know that it's so important to stay prepared during such uncertain times. So I hope that we earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you click that first link in the description to join our free Facebook group. And if you want to watch me trade live as soon as Monday, make sure you click that second link in the description, and we'll see you for our live trading session.